Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Hocking County, northeastern Pike County, southeastern Ross County until 6:30 p.m. At 5:56 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado located near Richmond Dale, moving north at 25 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Hocking Hill State Park. In addition, Londonderry, Morseville, Islesboro, and South Bloomingville are near the path of this dangerous thunderstorm. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.